Hi everyone, how are you? This is Sheetal Sipin Matre, and today I'm going to share with all of you a pick a card reading for the coming week. So in this we are going to see what is going to happen in our coming week. Alright, so you have three options: option 1, option 2 and option 3. Pick a crystal that is attracting you the most. Alright, let me bring it closer to you. This is option 1. This is option 2, a fluorite. This is black tourmaline. Option 3 is a selenite. Alright, so breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Ask your God, Goddess and Archangels, how is your coming week going to be? After that, select a pile, select a crystal that attracts you most. 1, 2, 3. So let's get started. Hello pile 1. So all those of you who chose this beautiful black tourmaline, let's see how your coming week is going to be. I'll keep your crystal over here. So let's see your tarot cards. Alright. Let's see what blessing is going to come your way. What changes are going to come your way. How your finances are going to be. Message for your love life. Okay, so we have the cards over here. So I will place them one by one in front of you. The first card that you have got is Four of Pentacles. So this particular card is telling us that yes, there will be a lot of money that will be there in the coming week. However, you're also going to be very, you are going to feel very, you will feel a little bit of controlling, there will be a control streak in you in the coming week. You may feel insecure, you may feel that you need to hold on to things in the coming week. Even though there will be abundance, still there will be a feeling in you that I need to, control situations, control people, control finances. So that's going to be a lot in you. Also, there's going to be some sort of wisdom coming to you. Some of you will also receive some sort of keys, maybe car keys, maybe home keys. So some of you, all right, not all of you. So I also see that some of you will feel like traveling, maybe going, to places where there's a lot of greenery. Some of you will travel to places of greenery, or you may keep a desktop on your screen which is full of lush greenery. So that's something which I'm very clearly seeing in this cards of yours. I also feel that some of you are going to find something, okay, something, maybe a small object or a big object which has some value to you, either emotional value or maybe a material value. So you're going to find that object this week, okay, some of you. All right, the next card that you have got is the World card. Wow. So definitely fitness is going to be on your mind. Some of you will be involved in some sort of international projects, international work. Some of you will start working for an MNC. If you are looking for something, you will get success in your work. Okay, there will be completion happening. There will be some sort of recognition coming to you. I also feel that some of you are going to have happy hair days, especially the ones with a little longer hair. I am also getting a message that some of you may have feet pain. Okay, your legs may ache or your feet may have some sort of pain. So be a little bit careful while walking and all, and don't be careless is what I am hearing. I am feeling that you will feel a lot of freedom. You will feel like, um, you're going to break something. Okay, so even though in the beginning of the week you will be very controlling, in the middle of the week you are kind of going to be like, let me be more carefree. All right, the next card that you have got is Three of Cups. So definitely the weekend is going to be very rocking. The next weekend that is going to come, that's definitely going to be very rocking. You will either meet a friend of yours, or you may have some sort of video conferencing, or you may get in touch with some of your friends over the weekend. You'll be so happy, kind of, meeting your friends. There will be good food on the table. I also feel that you will feel a little bit energetic, more happier over the weekend. So interesting how the cards are graduating over here from being complete controlling and kind of trying to make things trying to make things happen. You are going to be really letting loose. Okay, you're going to let go. You're like, oh, you know what, it's okay. All right, there is no point in being a control freak. So from being a control freak, you're going to let loose, and over the weekend you're really going to have a lot of fun. Okay, a lot of fun with your friends. Okay, that's lovely, guys. Now let's see what your oracle cards are saying. So the oracle card is saying ground and center. So interestingly, if you see this card and if you see this, all right, the similar energy is going on. So this both cards are asking you that you need to kind of some of you have been feeling insecure or spacey, which means you're not grounded enough. So maybe you should tap your feet on the ground or walk bare feet if possible. All right, or just dance. Okay, dancing can also help to release all that unwanted energy. Also, I feel that you're going to be very mentally you're going to be in a better place after Tuesday. Okay, the blessing coming your way is a blessing on a journey. So since we are in COVID, the journey may be physical for some of you, but for some of you, but for many of us rather, the journey may not happen. However, journey does not only mean a physical journey. It can also mean journey from one phase of our life to another. So over here, I am feeling that, you will see over here as also you can see the journey is, from here to here. If you see, it's a very beautiful journey. So definitely you are going to move from one phase of your life to another. All right. I also feel that many of you work with either Mother Mary or Archangel Gabriel. It could be you are in the field of communication, so definitely there's going to be some sort of upward movement happening in that field of yours. All right, I am feeling that you're going to leave something behind. Okay, you're going to leave something behind for better times. All right, the next card that you have got is join in. So I feel that either you will join some sort of new group, or maybe you will join some sort of community. It could be a WhatsApp group, it could be a Facebook group, or it could be an actual group. So there's definitely going to be some sort of group activity that is going to happen, and this new group will bring a lot of positive changes in your life. All right, let's see the next card. The next card that you have got is let go of guilt. So definitely I feel that some of you have a lot of guilt, especially regarding your children. So you need to let go of it. It can be related to some parent also. I feel that some of you have a lot of guilt that you did not do you did not do enough things for your parents. So you need to forgive yourself. Okay, whatever is giving you guilt, you need to kind of forgive yourself. You need to move on, because guilt is a very lower vibrations. Yes, you have done mistakes in the past, and so has everybody on this planet. All right, so as long as you're not repeating the mistakes and you are repenting it, it's completely all right, okay? But don't do it with guilt. The love message that you have got is free yourself. So I feel that some of you are going to break free from this whole desperation, frustration. You are going to be like, hey, what, the singles are going to be like, what, let me just stop being so desperate, and let me make some more friends. Let me hang out with friends, either virtually, or if your country is allowing to meet people, there is no lockdown, then you could also meet somebody, or you may have somebody coming over at your place. So definitely singles are going to break free. The ones who are committed, they're going to break free of the as a couple, they're going to break free of certain limited beliefs, all right? And over here, so how interesting the cards are. Here there is a blessing on a journey, and here it is saying free yourself, okay? So definitely once you free yourself, there will be a journey, a new journey coming in. So what I am getting very clearly, group 1, is that there is definitely some sort of movement happening, okay? It could be a physical movement, or it could be a movement from one stage of your life to another, but whatever it is, okay, it's going to be even if the beginning of the week may look a little bit heavy, but the end of the week is going to be so amazing, okay? From Wednesday onwards, guys, you're going to really have a good time. Monday, Tuesday is also not bad. That's quite okay as well. And definitely abundance coming your way, okay? Clearly abundance is coming your way. There is no doubt about it. Now let's see what your charms, your other messages are telling us. All right, so let me pick up a charm for you. All right, let's see, take some alphabets. We'll also take some we'll also remove some signs, right? Okay, a lot of universe messages you have got, guys. Then angel numbers, let's remove some angel numbers and we'll collectively see what it's going to tell us. The weekly readings are going to be short, guys, so okay, now let's see what they're collectively saying us. So you have, oh my god, so some of you are going to get a surprise, all right, and you are going to really have a lot of things which are, you're going to have a lovely week full of love and kisses, okay? Lovely, that sounds good. You have got the bee charm, so definitely a lot of hard work too, okay? It's just not fun and frolic. You're going to really work hard, all right? You have also got the charm of milk. So milk represents nourishment, milk represents support. So a lot of support and nourishment you are going to receive in the coming week. You got strawberry. So I feel somebody who is an old friend or someone whom you lost touch with is going to get in touch with you. Lovely. Now let's see what your universe messages are saying. Oh my god, see, you got the friends. Lovely. See, guys, how amazing it is. You got a tarot card which talks about friends, the 3 of Cups, and you also got the Friends universe message. Some of you may also spend time watching the Friends series, okay? Lovely. You need to believe in yourself because you have been a little bit harsh on yourself. Some of you it may so happen that somebody will tell you something which may affect your confidence, all right? So don't let that particular person affect your confidence in any way. Believe in yourself. You are really amazing, guys. You have then got be so good they can't ignore you. So as I said before, all right, that there will be someone who is going to kind of put you down, but don't let that affect you. be very sure that there is a group of friends who are there to support you. Take their support, or take some help, but do not let anybody's negativity, negative words affect you in any way. The next message that you got is bless this mess. So this comes so often nowadays. So definitely the situation that we all are right in, the COVID thing, definitely it is not a very rosy situation. However, in every mess there is a blessing. So try and find out, the blessing in this mess. So even if the next week, okay, overall it looks good, but there is always something which is, if there is things which are up, there are things which are also going to be down. So ensure that try and declutter your space as much as you can. Especially I am getting the space where either you work or you study, or the place where your laptop is, there's a lot of mess. Okay, you need to clear that mess. All right. You also got the universe message of Virgo. So maybe you're a Virgo, or maybe someone who is a Virgo is going to be it's going to play an important part, okay, in the coming week. Now let's see what alphabets we have got. Okay, let's see the number. Interestingly, I got 4 and 22. So 2 and 2 also comes to 4. So lot of angel support is there. Also I feel, and yes, let me not forget, you had got the 4 of Pentacles. All right. So even so lot of organization, lot of foundation. The next week is of foundation. Okay, so you need to kind of ensure that everything is organized, you are organized, you're doing things as per priority, but there is a lot of angel support with you, so you don't have to worry regarding that. Now let's see what alphabets you have got. It could be your first name, middle name, last name, or somebody who is going to be of importance in your life is maybe their first name, last name. All right, so here immediately the word that I am seeing is win. Okay, this is the first word that's coming to me. Okay, I'm also getting the word fog. So a lot of fog is going to get cleared and you're going to win. Okay, so that's what I'm getting, guys. I really love the way you write in the comment section. You make such amazing words. All right, so please do that in the comment section and we all can enjoy. So group 1, this is how your next coming week is going to be. I wish you all the miracles for the coming week. Do enjoy your week, and let's do a small prayer. All right, so all those who have chosen group 1, dear God, Goddess and Archangels, please remove all the obstacles from their coming week and bless them with happiness, success, goodwill, love and respect. This or better, thank you. Alright, group 1, I hope you enjoyed your how your week is going to be. If you like the content, do like and subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and please remember, these are general readings. And yes, I forgot to use your Wheel of Fortune. So here is your Wheel of Fortune. So think about a question that's coming to your mind. Okay, think about a question and let me spin the wheel for you. Lovely. So there is going to be a miracle in the coming week, group 1. So that's so lovely. So group 1, do enjoy your week, guys. Take care. Bye-bye. Hello group 2, how are you? So all those of you who have chosen this beautiful fluorite, lot of clarity is going to come your way, and let's see what your cards are saying. All right, so first let's see what your tarot cards are saying. Group 2, week ahead. Let's see what the oracle cards are saying. Let's see what blessing is going to come your way. Let's see what changes are going to come your way. How your finances are going to be. Your love message for the week. Okay, so let's see what your cards are saying. So let's see the tarot cards first. All right, the first tarot card that you have got is 10 of Wands. So definitely the week is going to start with a lot of work. You'll have so much of work, so much of things to do. You will be so busy. I also feel that it would be good if you can, take somebody's help. I feel some of you are going to, add some plant in your home decor, or you're going to take care of some plants in your house, some of you. I also feel that some of you are going to do something with soil is what I'm getting. A lot of work at home front, on career front. You're going to be very busy. Some of you may have a little bit of back pain, so take care of yourself. All right. The next card that you have got is Emperor. So whatever hard work you will do in the beginning of the week, that is going to be appreciated by someone who is at a very powerful position, or you are going to get some sort of growth. Okay, some sort of growth will happen because of all the efforts that you're going to put in. This growth may be I am not hearing very phenomenal out of the world growth, but it can also mean that you'll have a self satisfaction. I also feel that in the mid of the week, or maybe in the coming week, there will be some sort of concern regarding father, husband, or a son. Okay, that's I'm hearing for some of you, not all of you, so don't panic. All right. However, okay, overall the week, even if it starts very hectic, that all hard work is going to be paid off in the mid of the week. All right. Let's see your next card. Okay, the Seven of Swords. So definitely over the weekend you're going to cheat. You're going to cheat on your diet, guys. So if you are on a diet, do not cheat. Okay, because I feel that see, some of you will start a diet, and by the mid of the week you'll be like, oh my god, I'm maintaining my diet really very well. Over the weekend you may feel like cheating, so don't do that. Also, for some of you, ensure that you're taking care of your belongings, you're not keeping them here and there. Alright, don't worry, I'm going to say a prayer based on your reading after this reading is done, so that we ensure that our week ahead is good. Alright, so yes, the weekend you need to be a bit careful. I also feel some of you may visit a place which would be a secluded one, or you may go to a place where the road would be a little bit secluded one. So ensure that you shield yourself before going. Alright, so don't worry. Yeah, the weekend needs to be, you need to have a little bit of self-control over the weekend is what these cards are saying. All right, let's see your oracle cards. Wow, what a beautiful card. So a lot of love is going to come your way. See, love does not only mean romantic love. It can also mean love from a child, love from pets, love from friends, love from parents. So you have been giving a lot of love. Okay, a lot of love you're giving. So all that love that you're given, you're going to receive also. And feel that some of you are going to receive some sort of chocolates or cakes which you're going to really really love and enjoy. Looks like a strawberry chocolate or strawberry cake, something like that, or a pink color cake is what I'm getting. So be open to receiving love. All right, this week you need to be open to receiving. Let's see the blessing coming your way. The blessing coming your way is a blessing on your creativity. And interestingly, over here also, if you see, she is creating something. So I feel that some of you are going to cook something really really interesting. I can hear some of you saying right now, hey, but I hate cooking. So it's not only cooking. Even if you hate cooking, I feel some of you may spend time doing something very creative. Could be anything which is creative. If you are into writing, you may write something really good. If you are into making candles or some sort of spiritual stuff, you're going to be really good at it. Okay, the only thing is, that keep your ideas to yourself, because you got the 7 of Swords card. So don't discuss your ideas with anyone, all right, because that's not going to help. But a lot of creativity, you're going to be very creative this week. The next card that you have got is the change that is going to come in the coming week is realizations and epiphanies. So lot of, you will realize a lot of things. Okay, you will get a lot of signs which you were kind of wondering, why am I seeing this particular thing again and again. So you'll get answers to that. You'll also realize who your true friends are and who are not. You'll also realize a lot of things about life. There will be a lot of deeper understandings that is going to happen for sure. Okay, the next card that you have got is face your financial fears. So here, some of you are worried about your children's future, like how you're going to manage the finances. Some of you look like you are single parents and you're really worried that, how am I going to provide for my children? Or it may be so that, you have been facing financial issues, or you're worried that what if, in the future there are financial issues, like a job loss or something or the other. So here what the angels are telling you, that you are a creative person. Okay, so why not start at least part-time whatever you are good in, okay, side by side, so that it can fund it can fund not only your children's financial future, but it can also help you to relax. All right, and they're saying that don't run away from your fears. Okay, some of you are overcompensating, all right, by working too hard. You're so scared of things and activities that you keep on, working double hard in order to ensure that there is no financial issues. All right, so don't run away from your financial fears. Please understand that God always provides us. God is our source. If you remember any financial distress that you were in, God has always sent some sort of money or support in some way or the other. For love, some of you have got the card of honeymoon. So definitely singles may meet someone. Some singles may meet someone with whom they would have a good time, or singles will remember some of the moments that they have spent with their exes, which were really good and great, the places that they traveled. All right, the ones who are married, definitely this week is going to be really very interesting, physical intimacy wise. All right, and it can so happen also that you and your partner may decide to go on a short trip. I know it's COVID right now, but maybe a small, maybe a long drive, or maybe you will just look at your old photographs or your honeymoon pictures, and you will be like, it was so awesome then. All right, so this is for my group 2. All right, so a lot of creativity happening this week, guys. Now let's see what your charms, what your universe messages are telling us. All right, so let's first see what your charms are saying. We'll remove all of it together first, and then we'll remove one by one. We'll see one by one what they're trying to tell us. Crystal message. Alphabets. Okay, the universe message. Okay, let's remove some more for you guys. Again we got a Virgo. Oh my god, I think a lot of Virgo is going to be of importance, it seems. All right, then we'll see the angel numbers. We'll see a Wheel of Fortune in some time. All right, so now let's see what charms you have got. You have got fish, and you have got a tree. So definitely a lot of growth is going to happen this week, guys. Lot of growth, okay, lot of growth. And I said before also, some of you are going to spend some time, either, some way there will be some nature related activity that's going to happen. All right, you may see some pictures of nature, you may have your desktop a picture of nature, or you may add something, okay, related to nature, or maybe you'll have some organic food, okay, some healthy food in the beginning, or maybe in the week, okay. You got fish, so I'm kind of I'm hearing this that some of you are going to have grilled fish or fish and chips is what I'm hearing, but fish represents abundance. So again, abundance is going to come. Abundance does not mean only financial abundance. Abundance can also mean growth. All right, you have got the glares, okay, and it has got the love. So definitely I feel that you're going to post some picture on your social media account which is going to be loved by many. And I also feel that some of you may literally buy spectacles or glares, and some of you may apply some sort of eye gel is what I'm hearing, something to do with beautifying your eyes, okay. So could be a kohl pencil, a mascara. So some of you are going to even buy that. That's what I'm hearing from the spirit. You've also got crown, okay, and interestingly you had the emperor card. See how the charms and the cards mirror each other. So definitely there will be some sort of recognition coming your way, some sort of recognition for sure. All right, let me keep a charm here. You've also got rose quartz, and you did get the card of accept love. So definitely the universe is going to give you love. Could be from your followers if you're on YouTube, could be from your friends, or could be really from a person, okay, a lover or somebody interesting coming for some of you. So the rose quartz is asking you to open your heart to love. All right, let's see your universe messages. So you have got the Virgo, so either you could be a Virgo or you may meet some Virgo. All right, you got the butterfly, which means transformation. The next week there will be a lot of transformation happening in your life, so be open to changes, okay, changes for the better. You got the other message of explore. So I feel that a lot of Google search is going to happen in the coming week. Lot of research and preparation, data making, data mining is going to happen. Some of you are also going to travel, not all of you, but some of you definitely are going to travel. I also feel that you're going to expand, okay, you're going to expand this coming week. Some of you are also going to be worried about earth and the climate changes, so that's also going to happen for some of you. All right, the next, you have hope. You have got to find yourself, think for yourself. So again, this card also resonates with the accept love card, okay, very clearly. So definitely you need to focus on yourself for the coming week, okay. You have done enough for everyone. You have been working really hard. Since you also got the card of 10 of wands, which means you have been really working hard. So you need to now take some time out, at least over the weekend, okay. You need to kind of see, as you got the 7 of swords also. 7 of swords also means that think about yourself, okay. So even this particular universe message is asking you to think about yourself first. All right, you got the laughing emoji. So a lot of laughter coming your way in the coming week, a lot of happiness. There will be a moment wherein you will be having you'll be laughing for like 5 minutes straight or 15 minutes straight over some joke, or you may watch some comedy or funny series. You got the number 7-4, which means you're on the right path, and the angels are really acknowledging all that you are doing. So now let's see the alphabets, what the alphabets are saying. Okay, you got, it could be a first name, middle name, last name, or it could also be somebody whom you're going to meet, their first name, middle name, last name, or somebody who's of importance. All right. Okay. So now let's see. Okay. I'm seeing the word goal. Okay. I'm also hearing the goat milk. I don't know why. I'm hearing the word goat milk. No idea why. Maybe it's related to some of you. Axe. All right. Boy. It could be that some of you are pregnant, and this could be for some of you. Boy. Okay. This is a no. So these are the words I'm getting, guys. I really love the way you come up. You're so creative, you guys are, So I really like that. So Z, sleep, take rest also. Just don't keep on working hard. So this particular word is clearly you need to focus on your goals in the coming week. You need to axe people out of your life who are no longer serving you. You need to let go. Okay, if I also see it over here. Okay, I can also say it as on. Okay, let's make it on instead of no. Let's make it on. Okay, so let go of whatever is not serving you. And yeah, the boy could literally mean somebody of you, or some of you are having boy or an extended family member. There is going to be birth of a baby boy. Okay, for not all of you but some of you. All right, so now let's see what the spin the wheel is going to tell us. Okay, so think about a question in your mind for the coming week. All right, think about the question and I will spin the wheel for you. You have got trust. So in the coming week, you need to trust. All right, you need to just let go and trust that the divine, let go and trust in the divine. Whatever is happening, just trust. Everything is going to be fine. Now let's do a small prayer for you based on what on the cards that you got. All right. Dear God, Goddess, Archangels, all those who have chosen pile 2, please ensure that they are safe in all directions of time in the coming week. Please help them to be stress-free. Please ensure that whatever hard work, okay, is that they are doing right now, somehow the work is delegated and they find peace, or you bless them with ways in which the work can be done smartly, easily, and with a lot of comfort. Also, please help them to accept love and get recognized. Help them to be financially at peace. This or better, thank you. Alright, group 2, I hope you enjoyed this pick a card reading as to how your coming week is going to be, and I will see you again this week itself with a new pick a card. Alright, bye bye. Hello group 3. So all those of you who have chosen this beautiful selenite, first and foremost, there is going to be a very divine connect that you guys are going to experience in the coming week. I also feel that there will be surely a lot of protection that is going to be given to you. Let me keep your crystal over here and let's see how your coming week is going to be. Let's see what blessings are going to come your way in the coming week. Let's see what changes are going to come your way in the coming week. How your finances are going to be. And your love life. So let me pick your cards. We'll first see the tarot cards. Okay. So you have got the Knight of Pentacles. So The starting of the week is definitely going to be slow. All right, you'll be working on projects, putting in a lot of efforts. There will be somebody who is trustworthy who is going to help you in the beginning of the week. I also feel that some of you would feel that, that hey, um, when are things going to happen, so that when questioning is going to be a lot in the beginning of the week. Yes, you will feel like, I hope I'm going in the right direction. So ensure that you are you're a perfectionist. All right, so yes, do your work in a perfect manner. Nobody is stopping you from that, but don't overdo it. Okay, don't overdo it. That's what this card is trying to tell you. The next card that you have got is the King of Cups. So Knight of Pentacles and King of Cups. So other people are going to be definitely playing an important role in your life in the coming week. So try and filter your emotions in a very in a wise manner. Don't let your emotions overpower you. Also, there will be somebody who will be very wise, who is going to help you, guide you. So listen to them. Ensure that you stay hydrated in the coming week, and don't let your water intake be too much or too less. I also feel that some of you will have some sort of connection with the water body. Either you love water scene, or maybe you may kind of move around. Maybe you will go for a swim or something, but I know this, it's COVID right now, so it's not applicable to most of us, but some of us, yes, there is going to be some sort of connect that you are going to have. A water connect is what I'm getting. Some of you may also buy essential oils or perfume, or you may get gift of essential oil or a perfume. That's what I'm hearing. The next card that you have got is Three of Wands. So interestingly seen, you got the Knight of Pentacles, the King of Cups, and then you get the Three of Wands. So this is you, this is the Knight of Pentacles, and this is the King of Cups. So definitely you are going to, during the weekend, it's going to happen wherein you will I am very clearly hearing from the angels that you are going to wait for a parcel. Okay, you ordered something and you're going to wait for that particular parcel to come in. That's something which I'm clearly hearing, and this card is also indicating the same thing. I also feel that teamwork will be of importance. Collaborations, teamwork. I also feel that it may so happen that you will you are going to, there will be a lot of ideas that are going to come your way. So a lot of, there would be, group meetings that are going to happen next week, which are going to lead to really very good ideas, which are going to really help you. I also feel that you're going to see some sort of birds. Okay, it may so happen that you may have a pet bird, or you may see birds, different birds in the sky, or there's some bird connection that's going to happen for sure. You're going to feel free during the weekend. You'll feel a little bit lighter and free is what I'm getting. Now let's see your what blessings are going to come your way. First, let's see your oracle card. All right, so oh wow. So listen to the wisdom. All right, so as I said before also with this particular card, that be emotionally wise. There is somebody who is a very wise person who is going to give you good advice. So don't brush it off saying, oh my god, what the hell is this person is always giving me advice. So don't do that, because that particular advice is going to really help you. I also feel that many of you are going to receive feathers. These feathers would be sign from your ancestors, from your spirit guides, from your angels, that you are supported and you're not alone. And when the Three of Wands is saying that a lot of support will be given to you from the angels, gods and goddesses, okay, is what I am feeling. Now let's see what blessing is going to come your way. A blessing on growing older. So definitely lot of wisdom, guys. So much of wisdom is going to come your way. I feel that a past grandmom, grandmother, or a past mother for some is sending blessing to you, and that grandmother's blessing or that mother's blessing is going to really help you in the coming week. I feel that your mother or your grandmother used to say something to you. All right, it could be a piece of advice or pearls of wisdom, which is going to come to you at the right time. You'll be doing something, you'll be worried about something, and you'll quickly hear what your grandmom used to say or what your mother used to say, and that's going to bring in a lot of realization and a lot of clarity. All right, now let's see what change is going to come in your life. Support. Oh my god, did you see, guys? I am removing the cards in front of you, and I did tell you that there is so much of support available. I did tell you that to you before also. So support is going to come your way. Either you will a friend may advise you on something really good, or you may actually have a lot of support coming from other people, which is really going to make you feel not so burdened, is what I'm getting. Let's see your finances. Detox your friendships. So since the next week is going to be full of other people, what the role that they play in your life, all right, and it may so happen that a parent, okay, or a friend or a wise friend of yours will tell you that, hey, you're not in the right company, or the people around you are not good, so listen to them. Also, I feel that your friends are some of your friends are with you or are taking advantage of you, so you need to detox people from your life who are not really for your highest good. Also, try and have more people in your life who are supportive, okay, who are supportive. All right, so lovely. Now let's see what your love messages. Children, wow, that's really awesome. So if you're single, you may be called upon to babysit someone, or you may spend time with pets. I also feel that some of you will some of you are going to feel like hey, should I adopt a pet. I also feel that you're going to feed animals, is what I'm hearing right now. I also feel that you are definitely make a child's day, okay. You're really going to do something for child. Yes, married people, you are not able to get time for each other, because obviously children do need our attention too. So ensure that for some, at least you take some time out and spend time with each other. But children are going to be focused. The ones who are singles, as I said, be more childlike, be more happy, be more playful, rather than being so worried and frustrated about your love life. That's definitely going to help. Now let's see what your charms and what your universe messages are going to tell us. All right, okay, let's remove some charms first. Oh my god, you guys got so many charms. Crystals. Alright, let's see some alphabets. One alphabet has flew and directly fallen on my lap, and that's I. Okay, let me keep your alphabets over here, we'll see them. Alright, now let's see the universe messages. What are they? So many signs are coming. Okay, let's see. I'll definitely remove those guys. Okay, let's now remove angel number. Okay, all right, so let's first see your charm. So you got the number 6. So 6 number is of some importance, could be your life path number, birth date number. 6 also would mean Saturday, so Saturday could be of some importance to you. 6 also represents the planet Venus, so luxury, love is coming your way in the next week. You've got the moon card, which means creativity will be all-time high. You may feel emotional, so take emotional support. You will also be very intuitive, so listen to your intuition and see how beautifully It is connecting with this card, listening to wisdom. So listen to the wisdom, to the intuition. All right, you have got, wow, see how the love is coming in. So definitely love is coming your way, guys. Definitely there will be love being sent to you from this is coming from the sky. Okay, so could be a past loved one or an actual love coming in your life. Now, very interestingly, you have got nail polish. Alright, so some of you may actually buy nail polish. Alright, or it could so happen that you may buy some makeup product, or you may, or maybe you will spend some money on doing a makeover, maybe on your hair or makeup. If you're a guy, could be your hair, or could be some sort of clothes or something. All right, you got candy, so definitely you have sweet surprises coming your way. And again, look at this particular charm also, and you did get the children card. Okay, you did get the children card, so definitely you may buy something for your children is also what I'm getting. But overall, this it's a week of makeover. Okay, it's a week of makeover with this particular also cutie charm, I can say that. So makeover is the theme of the next week too. You got a butterfly, which means lot of changes are going to happen in your life in the coming week. You got the bunny. Bunny represents fertility, physically intimate relationships, so that as well. All right, now, and also bunny represents, maybe some of you may get pregnant or may become a parent, since you also got the children card. Or you may think about, seriously you will think about becoming a parent. Interestingly, you got the number 6, and even here you got 5 and 1 comes to 6. So definitely the date, I think 15th October is of importance. Okay, or Saturday is of importance. But yes, positive changes are going to come in your life. Keep your thoughts positive. Now let's see the crystal message. You got the clear quartz, which is a crystal of manifestation, and unakite is a crystal of fertility, and also it is used to connect with the fetus. All right, so definitely that's also there. Now let's see your universe messages. Okay, let's see it one by one. You got never be afraid of a change. Oh my god, this is third confirmation, guys. First it was in this particular number 5, which spoke about change. Then you got the butterfly, which also talks about change, and now the universe message, which also talks about change. So definitely some change happening the next week. Enjoy little things. So at times we always pray for bigger things and we get upset or desperate that why they're not happening, but we miss on enjoying the little things that life offers. So we need to enjoy that as well. It's not how big the house is, it's how happy the home is. So here I feel that some of you are going to spend time cleansing your home, cleaning your home, space cleansing, beautifying your home. Some of you are going to spend some time thinking about your dream home, seeing projects which are quite similar to your dream home. That's also going to happen. I feel some of you may keep a bird feeder, or you may keep water for birds, is what I'm hearing. I also feel that there will be some sort of happiness or change that will happen in your house. Maybe some renovation, or maybe you'll buy some home decor or something. The signs that we have got is Taurus, Aquarius, okay, and Gemini. So either you could be any of this sign, or this sign would be of some importance to you in the coming week. You have the emoji of smut and emoji of anger. So if anybody angers you, handle them smartly. Okay, don't let them don't handle obnoxious people with humor and not with anger, is what I'm hearing. All right, now let's see what your alphabets are saying. All right, let me make it straight first. Let me keep a bunny here. Okay. My god, so many alphabets you have got, guys. Okay, lot of alphabets. So first I am seeing the word God. Okay, very clearly, God. All right. Okay, I'm also getting the word God. Okay, let me make an alphabet. God is. Okay. God is. Okay, let me see. Here I'm getting the word ear. Okay, ear. So something that you're asking relates to a ear. Okay. Yeah, see. Oh my God, this is the second time. God is pal. Okay, God is pal, which means God is a friend. This is the second time, I've seen this happening. Okay. Okay, we're getting the word rate. Alright, and then we have this VIOE. This could be your first name, middle name, last name, or maybe somebody, Eva, I'm getting. Okay, so at times you can also see your whole name in this particular alphabets. Okay, so we have got God is pal. Years, so something to do with time frame that you are asking. Okay, rate. So some ratings, you could get ratings this week, or you may bargain, or you may get a good rate of on something. Maybe if you're dealing in stock market, pay attention to the rates. All right, so this is what your numbers are saying. Now let's see what your Wheel of Fortune is going to say. So think about a question for the coming week, guys, and let me spin the wheel. So you've got the word, you've got this Wheel of Fortune, the pin between no and better. So whatever you will ask, okay, you may not get that, but there will be something, there will be a better reason for God to not give that to you, and there is something better, okay, which you may not find, okay, that it's better, but it would be for your highest good, is what getting. So the answer is no. It's between no and better. All right, it's between no and better. Okay, so let's do a small prayer for you based on your cards. All right, you have got such beautiful cards: listening to wisdom, detoxing friendships, support, 3 of wands, growing older, Knight of Pentacles. So let me do a prayer for you guys quickly. Dear God, Goddess and Archangels, and pile 3's guardian angels, please bless them with emotional wisdom. Please also, if they are facing any issues regarding their children or creativity, please resolve those issues for them and bless them with amazing creative ideas and creative endeavors which will lead to prosperity. Also, please help them to get support and detox friendships if they wish to. This or better, thank you. Alright, group 3, I hope you enjoyed how your coming week is going to be. Do write in the comment section. I do read all your comments, and also if you want me to do a pick a card reading on any of on any topic, do write in the comment section. I will definitely do it if it's really very interesting. All right, thank you so much. This is Sheetal Sapan Matre. Have an amazing week ahead.